What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking my channel to watch this video. I always try to be honest with you guys, and today I really didn't feel like making a video. I would much rather have started reading or cleaning or watching a movie or just scrolling through the internet. But there is a few things that I do to help myself get motivated, and I did one of these things, and it really helped me to revisit why I should make a video and why I committed to making videos. So today I'm going to share with you a few ways that I help myself to get motivated when I am demotivated and if I don't want to do something. The best way that I like to get motivated is to watch a motivational clip on YouTube or another source on the internet. Some of the people that I like to watch is Gary Vee. His motivation is key for people who are really trying to produce content and trying to get out of that mentality of laziness. So he's somebody that I listen to a lot, probably once a day, to be honest. I'll read his information or I'll watch his videos. You can search on YouTube motivational videos and you can find like a montage of so many different talks that will help you to get hyped up and motivated to do something. And that's what I did today. I really didn't want to make a video, but I turned on one of these videos and it helped me. It got my mind right. It got me to actually get up out of bed or out of my desk and to set up and start making this video. Another way that I help kickstart my motivation and kickstart me to work towards my goals when I don't feel like doing them, or just in general, is to really revisit why I started doing this thing in the first place. So why did I start making videos? And what was the goal and the reason that I chose to do this in the first place? Well, my goal was to try to produce content and to get myself out of my comfort zone, and I thought I could do this by making videos. I made a commitment to myself of making 2 videos a week, and so far I have done that. And if I didn't make one today, then I probably wouldn't have kept this commitment to myself, and I would have felt terrible weeks later when I know that I broke my promise. So this way can help you motivate yourself by looking at the reason that you started. And if you come up with this reason and write it down somewhere so you can see it often, this will help you to continue when times are rough and times where you have other things to do and you're tired or you just don't want to do that task. Another way that I like to motivate myself is to look at the progress and look where I've come. So 6 months ago when I started making a video, my first few videos, they were so cut and dry. Like you would notice in the video that I would constantly be moving around like this in between scenes because I didn't know what to say. I wasn't good at formulating sentences. But now I'm getting, well, at least I think I am, getting a lot better at communicating to myself, I guess, in a way, on video. And I don't have to make so many cuts as I used to. And that's progress. So whatever area you're trying to get better at, if you can look at the progress. So if you're trying to become a better runner or trying to eat healthier, you can look at where you started. So if you could only run 1 kilometer back then, but now you can run 2, that's progress. You've already increased 100%. That is very good. And if you can use this to motivate yourself to keep going and keep trying to progress and get better. And that's what I try to do when I feel demotivated, is to look how far I've come, celebrate those wins, and use that to motivate you to keep going. So those are 3 ways that I help myself to get motivated, and I hope you use those too. Also, I would like to thank you guys for your continued support. I've got a lot of positive feedback. I'm now at 25 subscribers. I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but a little bit ago I had 0. So this is progress, and I'm happy and thankful that you guys continue to watch my videos, and I'm always open to feedback, whether good or bad, and I'll try to implement and use this feedback to make my videos better, more engaging. So thanks guys, I really appreciate it. And thanks for watching. If you liked it and want to hear more, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thanks guys, take care.